Hi guys, thanks for joining me on the next episode of Derf Did It. This is going to be an interesting one. Sit back, enjoy the ride. Bet you can't guess what I'm making. Hi folks, Scott here. Thanks for joining me on another episode of Derf Did It. Today's episode is going to be a little bit different from other projects that I normally do. Today, I'm not going to tell you what I'm making. You're just going to have to come along and see at the end the final product. I do want to give credit first though to David Ellsworth. I've attended a couple of his wood turning classes and have learned a lot from him. In fact, I think I would have to say probably would be a wood turner if it wasn't for David Ellsworth. I saw some of his pieces in a gallery in Asheville, North Carolina once, and it really struck me. And it's one of the things that really drove me to start taking woodworking and turning seriously. Like I said, I've attended a couple of his wood turning classes, and for all of you novice wood turners out there, I highly, highly recommend attending a seminar or class or instructional in person with a wood turner. It's made a world of difference in the quality of my wood turnings. So with all of that, I will once again ask you to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate all of your support, and I really hope you like this video. Make sure you leave comments when you see the final product and let me know what you think. Thanks guys. you.